In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Grok Imagine images in HD, Easy Setup 2026. First, open your browser and head straight to the official grok.com website. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari or Firefox, and make sure your connection is stable. HD files can be larger, so a quick check that you've got enough storage space on your device can save time later. Next, sign into your Grok account. While you can often browse without logging in, being signed in helps save your activity and makes it easier to find past creations or downloads later. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. On the homepage, you'll land in the main Grok interface. Take a second to get oriented. You should see a clean workspace where Grok's tools and content live. Keep an eye on the left-hand sidebar. This is your primary navigation for everything you'll need today. In that left sidebar, look for the Imagine section. This is where Grok's AI-generated visuals are organized. Click Imagine to open it. You'll be taken to a gallery-style view featuring images and, in many cases, videos created by the model. This is the hub for browsing, previewing, and downloading content in high quality. Scroll through the gallery and choose any item you want. Click once to open it in a detailed view. Here, the media will load larger, and you'll see the controls you need. Give it a moment to render fully so you're seeing the best preview. Now look for the download button. It's typically positioned at the bottom of the viewer or along the lower edge of the control bar. If it's not immediately visible, move your mouse or tap the screen once to reveal the controls. Before you download, check if there's a quality selector in the viewer. If you see options like Original, HD or similar, pick the highest available for the best results. Then, click Download. Your browser will either ask you where to save the file or place it in your default Downloads folder automatically. For videos, expect a standard format like MP4. For images, you'll usually get PNG or JPEG. When the download completes, open the file to confirm it looks crisp. If it appears low res, return to the viewer, switch to the highest quality available, and download again. That's all there is to it. Open Grok, head to Imagine, pick your favorite item, and use the download control to save it in HD.